Madam Sachi Bhallaji, the Deputy Director of AIDS Foundation, doctors who are all present here, leaders from the health sector and leaders from the industries, academia, friends from the print media and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a matter of great opportunity for me and a happy occasion. And we are here to be the part of the Advancing Public Health Outcomes Forum of 2025, along with the Women's Collective Forum and collaboration with the Gates Foundation and CII, and also with the partnership with Indian Council for Medical Research, National Institute for Malaria Research, Indian Council for Medical Research, National Institute for Tuberculosis, and Vector Control and Research Center of ICMR. I would like to first congratulate my esteemed colleague, Madam Smriti Zubin ji, for organizing this program and taking the initiative and bringing various forums on one platform, and also going for a very ambitious program and helping the Government of India in the program of elimination of malaria, elimination of tuberculosis. I would also like to take the name of Center for Excellence for the Affordable Healthcare of IIT Kharagpur, whom we have involved in the whole process. We have just now seen the 4 reports which have been released today on malaria, on tuberculosis, on lymphatic filariasis and immunization. I would like to share with you that under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Modi, the health sector has taken a long leap. And it has taken a long leap because it has been a government of the past 11 years, which is responsive government, which is responsible government, which is accountable government, and which is a government which wants to see the change in the common human life of an individual. And for that I can say that in the health sector, if you talk about, it has been a monumental leap which has taken place in the health sector as far as the technology is concerned, as far as the technology-driven facilities being provided to the individual, and the innovation. And as Dr. Guleria told, and as it was also emphasized by Dr. Bahel, we believe in Jan Bhagidari. So in all these programs, the people's participation has been the center of all schemes and programs, which has brought results and which has brought a change in the whole process, or in the whole goal which we want to achieve. When I talk about India's transition, it is from the disease control to disease elimination. एक समय था जब हम भी चलते थे, मानवता भी चलती थी, बीमारी भी चलती थी और हमारा प्रयास भी चलता था, सब साथ साथ चलते थे। अब समय बदला है, अब हम चलेंगे, मानवता चलेगी और डिजीज को हम समाप्त करेंगे इस लक्ष्य के साथ। इसलिए इंटरसेक्टोरल अप्रोच को हम लोगों ने डेवलप किया, होल ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट एंड होल ऑफ द सोसाइटी अप्रोच को हम लोगों ने डेवलप किया, पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप को हम लोगों ने आगे बढ़ाया, और इन सब चीजों को करते हुए वी केम आउट विद द हेल्थ पॉलिसी इन 2017, which when you say monumental leap, we also say about the change in the health thought process. Previously, the health thought process was curative. आप सुनते होंगे, हमारे डॉक्टर भी कहते थे कुछ भी खाओ, कुछ भी करो, एंटीबायोटिक ले लो, ये आपने सुना होगा, you must have heard. चलेगा, परहेज की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन एंटीबायोटिक ये जरूर खाओ. With all due respect to Dr. Guleria and Dr. Bahel, one is a pediatrician and one is a pulmonary expert, but still ये एक आवाज थी. 2017 में we decided that prevention and promotion of healthcare is very important part of health. So prevention, promotion, then curative, then palliative, then geriatric, हर एक की चिंता करनी है. तो holistic approach, comprehensive health approach, it came in 2017 where the prevention healthcare and promotional healthcare को हमने बहुत अहम तरीके से जोर दिया, जिसको हम आगे बढ़ाने का प्रयास किया और उसमें हमने rehabilitative को भी जोड़ा. अभी when we are talking about आयुष्मान आरोग्य मंदिर, now this is the first contact point where an individual gets in touch with the health institution or the health facility, and the number is 1,81,000, and our intention is that after every 2,000 or 2,500 population there should be one Ayushman Arogya Mandir. And it should have an ASHA worker, it should have a community health officer. So the first contact point, he or she should get the health facility. That is our intention. So NQAS भी हम कर रहे हैं, and I'll be happy to note that approximately 30,000 of the Ayushman Arogya Mandir have been NQAS. They have got the NQAS certificate, National Quality Assessment standards that they have maintained. Now, what we are trying to do is that, first of all, mother and child health. और मैं बड़े जिम्मेदारी के साथ आपको कह रहा हूँ कि आज की डेट में हमने इस बात को इंश्योर किया है कि देश में कोई भी माता जिस दिन गर्भवती होती है उस दिन से उसको हम डिजिटली ट्रैक करते हैं. द डे आशा वर्कर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इज देयर. मलेरिया से लेकर के सारी चीजों में जो हम रोकने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं उसके एफर्ट्स कैसे चल रहे हैं. 5 essential antenatal checkups is compulsory. 1 checkup with the specialist is necessary. 8 checkups for high-risk patients and 3 checkups along in 8 checkups, 3 checkups should be done by specialists. And all this is tracked. ये हमारे बोलने से नहीं हो रहा है. This is all being tracked. Because digitally ASHA has to put into her system that कुसुम देवी का फर्स्ट चेकअप हो गया है आफ्टर ट्राइमेस्टर, सेकंड चेकअप अब होगा, थर्ड चेकअप तब होगा. And if the checkup is not done, digitally there is an alarm and an alert system to the patient, to the ASHA worker, to the BMO, the block medical officer, to the chief medical officer, and to the mother and the child tracking system here in Delhi. Now you can understand how we are trying to see to it that mother and child checkups को हम ध्यान रखें. I would also like to share with you that you will, वैसे कोविड में आपने काम किया तो you know कि और उस समय जब हम लोग 2017, 16-17 में जब हम कोविड पे काम कर रहे थे, यानी we were trying to digitally come out with a solution so that we could track everybody. We never knew that pandemic like COVID is going to come. And it came. By that time, Government of India digitally was ready. So we had COVID. And you will be happy to note that the certificate given by America for a COVID vaccination is given on a piece of paper. And here you get the COVID vaccination certificate on your mobile. This is digital India that is here. The same way we have started UWIN. Now what is UWIN? That during the pregnancy 2 vaccination, after the delivery, and it is the responsibility of the ASHA worker to ensure that the delivery takes place in the institution, and that is why our institution delivery has increased from 79% to 89%, 87%, and we are going further in that direction, institution delivery. And we have to vaccinate a child for 12 preventable diseases, 11 vaccines, 27 doses from birth till the age of 16. And now this UWIN tracks for 16 years. So at any given time in our UWIN portal, a cohort of 5 crore, 2.5 crore children and 2.5 crore mothers are always under tracking system where we are tracking for them for the 16 years to come. So this is the change जो हम हम लोगों ने लाने का प्रयास किया है और मदर और चाइल्ड हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम को हम कैसे ठीक करने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं. द सेम वे दिस आयुष्मान आरोग्य मंदिर, इट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ that the ASHA workers, along with the Anganwadi workers,